Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make spring roll. For the starters, let the people get more appetized. Right, our spring roll today is the vegetarian spring roll. The ingredient is not much, just normal like the people do. But only the special one we put the sweet corn. But we don't put the dry mushroom or black fungus. Yeah, because I don't like it.
Yeah, you do. It just customer complain about it.
Yeah, and not because I don't like it, because the customer they did complain. Because they said I put a rubber band in there. That's why I stopped to use it. Make me shy. You are. Okay, the vegetable we use green cabbage, but we only have and carrot. Vegan sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Yeah.
Can use regular one as well, no?
Yeah, if you are not vegetarian, you can use the normal one. This one vegetarian, and glass noodle. Yeah, but you have to soak. If you want to do this amount, only quarter, not all. Yeah, or I think expand like a big pot. And then the spring roll skin, we use the big one, and we cut into half. This one square and cut into half. Then I show you later how to roll it. But this one, the filling for the spring roll, that's it. And this one, the most important, garlic, black pepper, coriander root as usual for Thai food. Okay. And this one, this recipe, yeah, go for the previous YouTube. You peel this one first. Peel the what you call carrot. Right, this one green cabbage you cut into half. I don't use the glove. Yeah, my hand is quite
Your
clean.
hand is beautiful.
Yeah, no. Okay, cut into half. And then the what you call this one, the core inside, you cut it.
Can I use that bit, no?
No, this one too hard. You cannot slide and you cannot roll. Okay. You slide in the thinly sliced. Yeah. Like this. This one also quite a lot, only a half. Now you grate with this one. Yeah. I think enough, just one whole carrot. Yeah, you can mix like this. We soak in the cold water because I don't like to use the hot water.
Yeah.
Like you force them, yeah, to soak, and then the noodle expand. It doesn't taste nice. About 10-15 minutes, and you use only quarter, and the rest you can keep it. Do next time. Yeah, okay. After 15 minutes, yeah, we get out from the water.
Get out. We get out from the water.
We cut, make it shorter.
Oh, I'm scared now.
By scissor.
Just cut it all shorter, yeah?
Yeah, just cut it all short. Okay, it's just this amount when you mix this up. Yeah. And then last, sweet corn. Yeah, I wash this one first. Okay, you mix it. You can use all or half, depend on how you like it. Yeah, use hand. Okay, I put it on. It's nice. I love sweet corn. And then, yeah, and then now time to stir fry. Okay, I fry this mixture. Just a normal fry with a little bit of high heat with the cooking oil. Just 1 tablespoon of garlic black pepper sauce. Okay, now turn to the golden brown. Yeah, put all this one in here. Okay. Fry until soak about, I'm not sure, 5-10 minutes. You can see until this one soak. Okay. And you put this one 2 tablespoons. Okay. Half of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's it. Nothing else. Our recipe. Have to let it cool down, then we can wrap it. No need to be very cold, warm, so we can wrap it.
Just cool down a bit.
Yeah, just cool down a bit. Okay, this is the size we use. We do the other medium size, not big size or small size. Okay, we cut into half.
Careful your one.
Okay, wrap with the towel. If not too dry, you cannot wrap it. Okay, and the glue, we just use the self-rising flour mixed with the water and become just like this, not too thick, not too light. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, the filling we use just about this one. And okay, we roll it and now put it back, right? And use the glue both sides. And then fold it side to side. Okay, now we just roll until right at the end. Okay. Yeah. Look, this shape we do it. I don't think you can finish all this spring roll, but the filling still have. But this one you can store in the freezer. Okay, like I said before. Yeah, we put the oil, cooking oil in here. Okay, wait before you put the spring roll. Wait until this one hot enough.
So you could use an air fryer for these as well.
Oh, that one I'm not sure. Should be.
Should be,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can do it. Then you don't need to put this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, some they told me, they said use that one. It's not too oily. I think you can use the air fry. Yeah, this is the good idea.
Okay.
Okay, now you can see the bubbles start coming up. It means the oil getting hot. Yeah, and then lower the gas. You can try one if you like. Just let's see how. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Now the bubbles start up. Then you can put all. And you look this one. Yeah, the color change to brown color. You can see from the color or from the oil if the float come out from the spring roll. Yeah, and also this spring roll floating, right? Then it means this one cooked. Yeah.
When it's floating, it means
Yeah, yeah. Okay, use the tongue to take it out. It drain the oil.
Alright, so let's give these spring rolls a go. I'll be honest, I've eaten hundreds of thousands of these over the years, and they're great. Don't forget to pair it with our sweet chili sauce, which is, the recipe for that is up here. These are a favorite for all the family. We sell so many of these each week. These are actually really easy to make. fresh, crispy, and incredibly Moorish. Give these a go. And you really could try these in an air fryer. I know everyone's got one these days. Perfect.